What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video today. Another Retro Bowl video, another Retro Bowl rebuild. I'll start a new game, and I will be rebuilding I will be rebuilding what are they? The Cleveland Browns. We're the Cleveland Browns. Oh, well, yeah, okay. Start favorite team. I'm going to skip tutorial because I hate the tutorial. I got a pretty not good team. Yeah. Yep. Hope everything goes good today in today's video. We're going to start off with Pittsburgh. Easy win for me. So I got that. Okay, if this weren't the first game that would have been intercepted. Okay. Didn't treat me dirty like that, I see. Okay. We're the Cleveland Browns. Okay. There we go. Let's go. Okay. That was garbage. Ooh. Sorry, I got a little bit of a cold while I'm doing this, but it's good. A 2-point conversion. Ooh, you're never gonna catch me. 54-yard touchdown reception for my running back. We're gonna go for 2, and we are going to catch that. There we go. Let's go. Keep it up, boys. Hand it off. 13-yard running play. It's a pretty good pickup right there. Why'd I do this? Oh, I hate it because I got no case of my other hand, my other finger. It kind of messes up whatever I try to do. But yeah, we're probably gonna win this game. Of course, that's how most first games go in Retro Bowl. If you haven't played this game for a while, I really urge you to try to play this game. It's a very fun game. I discovered I was about 10. Enough about that. We're just going to keep playing the game. Can I score here again? Kick the field goal. 50-yard field goal attempt. The kick is up. The kick is good. 50 yards. Mm. 7-yard pickup from our running back, Irwin. Hand off to Irwin. Irwin gets hit behind the line of scrimmage. Got hit again, but he got about 2 yards. Got picked up about 2 yards on the play. 5-yard pickup. That's not good. Yeah, better plays. I never try to run through the pile. I always run around the edge. Of course, that could be what most people do when they play Retro Bowl, though. So, touchdown! Let's go. $41-0. Why did I do that? Gonna get about 9 yards on that play. Yeah. Ooh. Not today. Not today. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I scored 50 points on my first game. Let's go. Oh, no, I couldn't get out of bounds. Did pass for 200 yards, though, and shut out the Pittsburgh Steelers. Anyways, we're going to do the draft in the game after the draft. Yep. Of course, Denver won the Retro Bowl. They beat Philly. I'll resign him. He kind of played like trash. The last game, he had 2 sacks. I don't really need him. That's what you do in these kind of situations. You trade everybody away. And you draft players. 5-star potential. We're going to take him. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, another 5-star potential wide receiver. Oh, 5-star potential D lineman. Oh, gosh. My luck couldn't be better. No. For very. Not gonna last. I don't know. Thank you. Take Harkins. See what was it? Oh, Lord, he's garbage. You know, I need a backup quarterback. Okay. All in all, not too terrible. We're going to let him play the first game. Bench you. You're my backup, so let's go. Change the ball. That's the ball I play with. We're the Cleveland Browns. Of course, my 5-star potential wide receivers, they're always going to be good. There we go. And I got a trash kicker, so. Got one tight end. Tight ends are clutch. 33 yards, down to 33 yards. Get out of bounds. And see how clutch these tight ends are. Yep, tight ends are clutch. I tell you, they're clutch. That was almost bad. This is going to be an easy road to the playoffs for me. 15, 10. Going to make a man miss the 6th touchdown. It was almost intercepted or incomplete. Call timeout. Then we are going to throw the ball to my clutch tight end, as always. Beep boop. Throw it. I'm going to throw the ball to our clutch tight end, as always. Oh, I love tight ends. That's going to be a soundbite that's going to haunt me for the rest of my life. Tight ends are the best. I hope I can get about 67 yards. Picked up about 9 yards on that play. 4 yards. That's good. That's good. Poole picked up about 6 or 7 yards on that play. 16-yard touchdown. Defense can't get a stop. It's a good pickup right there. And he's gone. Perkins is gone to the end zone. Touchdown. Cleveland. We're the Cleveland Browns. I stole that from another YouTube video. Okay. There you go. Breesy is gone. Touchdown, Cleveland. 47 yards down the field to the end zone. Quarterback probably threw about 6 or 7 touchdowns today. That's pretty good. I pulled a Detroit Lions. $501 passing yards. Good Lord. Anyways, that'll be the end of today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel up to 100 subscribers. And I'll hope to see you on the next video. God bless.